Good morning, students. This is Rahul sir, and you are most welcome in my classes. Today, we are going to solve few more questions of exercise 7.1. Let's solve a question number 9. What the question says: in the equilateral triangle ABC, AD and BE are the medians of the side BC and CA respectively, so that AD is equal to BE. What is given to us? First of all, the diagram is given. Diagram is A, B, C. This is E, and this is D. What is given? This is an equilateral triangle. Okay, this is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all three sides are equal. Okay. Question number 9. So, AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Now, what it says, AD and BE are the medians of the side BC and CA. What are AD and BE are the medians? Medians means these lines are bisecting these two lines. That means implies that BD is equal to DC and AE is equal to CE. Okay, this line is median of this. That means BD and DC are equal and CE and AE are equal. Okay, now what we have to prove that AD is equal to BE. What do we have to prove? This AD and BE line are equal. So let's, in triangle ABD and triangle ABE. Okay, we are taking these two triangles. Okay, now in this case, AB is equal to AB, common in both triangles. Okay, this is for AB is common in both the triangles. Okay, so this is equal, and please listen, this is equilateral triangle. Okay, so all three sides are equal, and if all three sides are equal, then their medians, the half of one side will also be equal. That means BC is equal to AC, then half of these will also be equal, so half of these are, so BC upon 2 will be equal to BD, and AC upon 2, that is AE, because these lines are medians, so these two sides will be equal and BD and DC will be equal. Okay, now okay, and one more thing, what do we know? That medians of an equilateral triangles are also equal. This is what we have to prove. So this angle median drawn in a equilateral triangle, please listen, median drawn in an equilateral triangles are equal, and they also make 90-degree angle. What they make? 90-degree angle. Okay. So from here we can say that from RHS triangle ABD is congruent with the triangle BEA. Okay, these two triangles will be congruent. Implies that respective sides will also CPCT. Okay, CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Okay, so AD will be equal to BE. Okay, so this is how we do this. Please take the screenshot of this. Now let's come to the question number 14. In the question number 14, what the question is saying? Triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle in which PQ equal to PR. O is the point such that QO and RO are equal. Prove that PO bisect the QR. Listen, what it is saying, this is an isosceles triangle where PQ and PR, and this is a point O where QO and RO are equal. What do we have to prove? That this PO bisects this angle. Bisects this angle. If it is bisecting this angle, that means this and these two will be equal. So that's why we have written here angle QPA equal to angle RPO. Okay. Now let's take in triangle PQO and triangle PRO. Okay. PQ is equal to PR, which is given. Okay, PO is equal to PO. Why? It is common in both the triangles. We are taking PQO triangle and PRO. These two triangles we are taking this, and these two triangles we are taking. Okay, so in these two triangles, PQ and PR are equal. PO is common and QO is equal to given RO. This is also given. So from triple S property, triangle PQO congruence triangle PRO. Okay, these two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, their respective angles will be equal. So OQ and OR are equal. So the angles in front of these two sides will also be equal. Implies that angle QPO is equal to angle RPO. Okay, please take the screenshot of this. Likewise, you can solve the rest of the questions. So I hope you can solve these questions. If you have any type of problem like here, please ask me.